Let's enter and see what they have for the AEON Mart. There's a 30% off for the sushi. You see, lots of sushi have been bought already. 30% off right now. The time is 9:30 p.m. 30 minutes more the closing time. And there's an AEON bakery at the corner. It feels as if like it's a weekend, but it's actually weekday. And then there is kind of the bun cha at 44,000 is less than $2. And then you can just pay for your food and then just eat at one of the tables and chairs right here. I think they kept most of the buns already, but there's still some being sold right here. And not only the buns, they have the drink as well. The fruit section. Orange, apples, kiwis, grapes. Oh, my favorite durian. For the past 1 week, I've been eating durians. The Vietnam RI6 and the Monton from Thailand. That's why I ate, but over here they sell the durians from Vietnam only. Even if you don't like durians, by seeing them, you feel happy. We have the cucumbers, tomatoes, mushrooms, avocados, lots of apples here. It seems it's very busy, both the staff and the customers at 9:35 p.m. right now at the AEON Mart in the District 8, the Parc Mall here. There's so many stuff for sale. The usual stuff you see in supermarkets, but then there's some special things. Let's check out. There are so many snacks here. You'll be spoiled for choice, from the butter cookies to nambati waffles and more. If you like the video so far, subscribe, like and share so that more people can also enjoy this video. Thank you very much. By the way, there are the smart lockers for you to put your things there. Hope you guys like the short tour of the AEON supermarket. They're still selling the food now at 9:45 p.m. I will end my video here right now about the Parc Mall in District 8. Thanks everyone for watching, and for everyone is take care, have good health and stay happy. And then I'll look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. So take care everyone. Bye bye.